What's going on, guys? Today we are here with a action camera. I've kind of already opened it up from Temu TikTok shop. We're going to be reviewing it and seeing just how good it is. They claim it's as good as the GoPro. I don't really think so, but it was less than $20, so hey, it's worth a shot. So stay tuned. If you haven't checked out my other Temu videos, I do a lot of reviews of random things. Some of them are actually pretty good. I'd say 80%. And yet again, it's telling me no SD card. Oh boy, might not get very far with this video.
How many people do it from 3,000 feet?
All right, let's get this thing open. So to start with, it says that it's got 1080p. 2-inch LCD screen, 30 meters, waterproof, it's 90 feet. A lithium battery and a wide angle lens. So that is, it does come with lots of accessories now. That is nice. Got tons of accessories actually for like a bike bar. Got an underwater thing. I guess that's why it's 90, because you can go underwater with the case. And these are all look just like GoPro. These look just like the GoPro mounts. And some straps. And then here is the actual camera right here. Does it have a screen? Let's go ahead and see how we can do this. We're gonna turn it on and see what happens. Let's see here. Maybe we won't turn it on. Hang on. So we're back. I was pressing the wrong buttons. We're going to do a little review and then we're going to go outside and actually test it. And I'm going to show you some footage of the actual camera. So it does have a micro SD port. So let's put this in right here. Maybe not. There we go. It's in, and you actually have to press the on button. Weight-wise, this doesn't feel very heavy. It feels like it'll break. I would probably already could tell you put it in this for everything. All right, so we got it on. See the screen's on. It's saying no card. There's a card in here. All right, plot twist. Finally got this SIM card working. Guess what? You can only use a SIM card that's 32 gigabytes or less. That's why the other ones wouldn't work. So, let's see now what it says. And yeah, it says recognize a SIM card. It's got all the things you can program, everything like that. I don't care about date and time and all that, but yeah, so this is the unboxing. This is everything that comes out. Let's go outside and see what we can see. It says it's recording. Wow, I'm doing really bad. It says it's recording. Let's see, we'll do this, the camera. It's my camera. This is my truck. It doesn't look very good on the screen. So I'll be interested to see what this looks like on when I download it, but it doesn't look very good. All right, so we're on my computer. I got the little flash drive out. I have this little thing too. If you don't have it, it's pretty great. You could put big flash drives, little flash drives, and then it goes in the USB-C for your computer. So you might want to grab that. I didn't get this off Temu. I just had it in general. But yeah, let's go on here and see what we can find. My camera. This is my truck. It doesn't look very good anyway. And then we'll do some POV. No, this is a POV. This is first person. I don't know what this is, but we're going to do some videos like this. So, hey, what's up? What's going on? We are doing a boxing. What are we doing? This thing right here, legit or shit, it's shit. Anyway, I'm about to do a video of a drone I got next, so hit that subscribe button and wait for that drone video. And yeah, but don't waste your money on this action cam because it is crappy, but hey, it's part of it. It's what it is. Temu TikTok hauls and finds. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all on the next one. Later.